Hi everybody, how are you? So we have completed in economics, privatization, liberalization and globalization, and again we are going to start our SS. Okay, in SS, your second chapter, that is cultural heritage of India, and in that we are going to learn traditional handicraft and fine art. Okay, so how rich and varied heritage we have in traditional handicraft and fine arts. Let's see in this chapter. इसमें देखने की अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. And when we talk about the handicraft and fine art, so many things are included in that. In handicraft, clay work is there. Okay, weaving work is there, embroidery is there, leather work is there, diamond and bead work is there, metal work, wooden work, inlay work, that is called the jadtar kaam, akeek work. Akeek is one kind of stone, okay, which is polished and used as a garland or other different kinds of jewelries. Okay, similarly, next is a fine art. In fine art, painting is included, music is included, dance is included, and dance further classified into two parts. One is the classical dance, okay, and second is the folk dance, जिसको हम लोग लोक नृत्य बोलते हैं. Okay, so like that way, different things we are going to understand here. Even in fine art, acting, okay, in acting also divided in three parts basically. One, acting, which you see in the silver screen, means the theater. Second one, which you see in the television, and third one, which you watch lively in the Rangamanch. Okay, that is also called the theater. Okay, so basic difference is silver screen and theater is there. Theater you can see lively. Okay, whatever characters are there, they play their role lively. While in silver screen, there it is already shooted. Okay, and then you watch it. That is the basic difference. So all that things we will try to understand in this chapter. Definitely, it will not possible to complete in one part. So in two part we will do, or three part we will try to complete this lecture. Is it clear? So let's start. India is a country of rich cultural heritage. It includes the materialistic and genetical heritage. Okay, two types of heritage. One is the materialistic, which we get from our ancestors. Okay, like property is there, like jewelry is there, like any other assets are there, that is called the materialistic. And genetical means which we get in heredity through genetically. Like suppose one person is a poet and his son is also poet, so it is come in genetically. And so many times we say that varsama avyu che, varsama madyu che. Okay, if someone is a singer, their further generation is also in the same profession in singing, then that is called the genetical heritage. Okay, a child inherits physical and mental characteristics from the parent by birth is known as the genetic inheritance, whereas the house, land, estate, like properties obtained from the ancestors is called the material inheritance. Similarly, whatever man obtained or create with the intellect and skill, generally called the cultural heritage. With your ability, with your skill, if you develop something, then that is the subject of cultural heritage. In the same manner, traditional customs, rituals means karma kand or the parampara or the religious work, etc. is special types of lifestyle is adopted by our ancestors is also known as cultural heritage. In addition, other matters like education, farming, trade, rules and regulation for the daily life, festivals, entertainment, art and handicraft, beliefs and skills are also included in cultural heritage. India being an ancient country of the world, it has best traditions, social values, dogmas, customs and family system, because our culture is too ancient. So all these things are enrooted, okay, in our heritage. So it is our duty to preserve and culture heritage. There are reference of 64 art, that is called the 64 Kalaएं, okay, in our Asian literature. They are handicraft, workmanship, different kinds of skills are there in that. Kasab work, kasab means work on the cloth or embroidery, and so many other things are included in that. Drawing, music, dramatic art and dance. Our Asian currencies were also valuable. Properties of India was main attention for which has been accepted by whole world. Consequently, 21st June is celebrated as a World Yoga Day in whole world. That is our also one heritage. Okay, yoga is the heritage of India, which has spread by the India, the whole world. Okay, it is a gift to the world from India. इंडिया से मिला हुआ विश्व को ये एक गिफ्ट है, ऐसा बोलो तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होगी. In this chapter we will learn about the varied art and craft of India. So art of Indian artisans. The beauty of Indian culture heritage is laying in the traditional art and artisans. They have skillfully developed varied lifestyle of the people through their remarkable and handicraft industries, weaving and embroidery, wooden art, clay work, drawing, painting, leather industry, animal work, animal jadtar kaam, okay, and sculpture, architecture, a geek work, diamond related to artist workmanship, and knitting, that is a silai, kadai, bunai, that all are included in that, have the unique identity in India. Okay, so let's talk about first of all clay work, मिट्टी काम. अब clay work में दो वर्क होते हैं बच्चों, एक कच्ची मिट्टी से बनी हुई चीज है एंड दूसरा उसको बैग्ड किया हुआ. अब आपके बुक में एक्चुअली रॉन्ग लिखा हुआ, बैग्ड इज कॉल्ड द टेराकोटा. आपके बुक में यहाँ पे अनबैग्ड लिखा हुआ, वो रॉन्ग है, उसको अपने आप करेक्ट करना, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई इंटीमेट यू अर्लियरली. मैंने आपको पहले आपको ये बता दिया. Man and clay have been closely associated since ancient time. Okay, so many times we say ये शरीर को भी माटी का पुतला है, तो there is no bifurcation of the human body and clay. दोनों को एक दूसरे के साथ में associate किया because there is a close relation between the human being and the soil. The whole life of the man revolve around it from the cradle to grave. जन्म से लेकर मृत्यु तक हर एक जगह पर जो है मिट्टी ही हमारे काम में आती है, चाहे खेती के लिए हो, चाहे घर बनाने के लिए हो, चाहे किसी और काम के लिए हो. मिट्टी जो है हर एक जगह पर जो है काम आती है. इवन अगर कोई आदमी मर भी जाता है तो भी उसके लिए यही कहा जाता है इसकी मिट्टी उठानी है. मीन्स दैट बॉडी इज जस्ट लाइक अ सॉइल. ओके, सो बिफोर द इन्वेंशन ऑफ मेटल, clay things which used evidently toys, pots, pictures, earthen lamp means divda, clay stove, that is called the chula. Okay, clay wares made the parrots or to made by the potters to store grains, milk, ghee, curd and buttermilk. इन सबको स्टोर करने के लिए मिट्टी के बर्तनों का ही इस्तेमाल किया जाता था. इवन इफ यू विल गो इन द accessible part of India like Himalayan side or the remote villages, even you will see this tradition they have kept even today. आज भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पे मिट्टी के बर्तनों में ही बनाई जाती है, यूज़ की जाती है. ओके, और उसका साइंटिफिक रीजन भी है बच्चों. वॉट एवर सॉइल इज देयर, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मिनरल इट इज स्टोर्ड इन इट. when you make the food or any other things in that vessel, so at that time so many nutritive materials, so many minerals which are available in the soil, it is sucked by that material which is going to back in that vessel. And due to that reason, even today so many villages, so many places, people use the clay vessel for their cooking purpose also. Storing grain, buttermilk, maximum kitchenware were made up of clay. The walls of the houses, that is called the kuba, okay, were plastered by the पेस्ट ऑफ काउ डंग एंड क्ले। उसका रीज़न ये था कि हम इंडिया में जहाँ पर रहते हैं हमारे यहाँ पे हॉट क्लाइमेट है, गर्म जलवायु वाला जगह है, तो ये चीज़ें जो क्या करती है घर को अंदर से ठंडा रखती है। इफ़ यू विल गो इन कच्छ, स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ हट यू विल गेट देयर, आपको वहाँ पे ऐसे झोपड़े मिलेंगे, बराबर है। एंड यू विल बी सरप्राइज, जब बाहर 40 डिग्री टेम्परेचर होता है, एट द सेम टाइम अंदर का टेम्परेचर 10 डिग्री कम रहता है। तो इट इंडिकेट दैट हाउ साइंटिफिकली होम्स वेर made by ancestor and it is following by so many peoples in our country even today. Okay, we have got many clay utensils of the red color and belong to Lothal, Mohenjo-daro and Harappan culture of ancient time. Potter's wheels is considered on the best device the clay work in ancient India. वो हमारी की गई इनिशियल खोजों में से एक था जिसमें हम लोगों ने जो है व्हील की खोज हम लोगों ने की, और उसके बाद में दुनिया में एक रेवोल्यूशनरी चेंज आया, दैट डिस्कवरी दैट वाज डन बाय इंडिया ने वो डिस्कवरी की है। ओके, एट प्रेजेंट टाइम ऑल्सो वी कैन सी द गरबा, गरबा इट इज फ्रॉम द अर्दन पॉट, मिट्टी का बना हुआ एक छोटा सा घड़ा जैसा होता है और उसमें छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं। ओके, और उसके अंदर एक अर्दन लैम्प रखा जाता है और ड्यूरिंग द स्पेशली इन द टाइम ऑफ नवरात्रि इट इज यूज्ड टू प्रे द गॉडेज माता जी। ओके, इन नवरात्रि इंडिया वॉज फेमस फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग द बैग्ड यूटेंसिल्स ऑफ बैग्ड क्ले एज वेल एज अनबैग्ड क्ले। ओके, एंड हियर इट इज सेड द अनबैग्ड क्ले इज टेराकोटा। एक्चुअली वो रॉन्ग है, टेराकोटा बैग्ड को बोलते हैं, जो पकी हुई मिट्टी होती है दैट इज टेराकोटा, उसको टेराकोटा बोलते हैं। याद रखना, इधर गलत लिखा हुआ है, जरा यहाँ पे ऐसे कर दे